remembers a time back in 2011 when the world was a simpler, easier, more fun place to be. In a small bakery in northern New Jersey, two friends got together every week, determined to teach the world how to bake.
Crumb Boss
and the producer.
And YouTube was never the same.
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here!
It sunk like the Titanic in here.
Yay! Crumb Boss and the producer! Crumb Boss, everybody!
Whether it was making the #1 recipe on YouTube for buttercream, or icing fudge brownies, or teaching the world how to make eclairs, I was literally always working. Wait, that doesn't sound right.
Oh! Ratchet! It's like vomit! People don't eat that! It totally stinks! So, here we are in 2020, and well, YouTube, it's time to get ready. Hold on to your crumb buns, because guess what's coming back? Yay! Better, bigger, and so much more exciting. Ladies and gentlemen, what you're looking at right now is not, well, okay, it is what you're thinking. It is leopard. It isn't a real leopard, it's leopard paper. And the reason why I have leopard paper is because I have a leopard cake. Look at that. That is a real well, not a real leopard cake, but it's a leopard cake made by your favorite YouTube pastry chef. Hey!
Crumb Boss!
Hi!
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss!
Wow, look who it is.
How's it going?
Good, Crumb Boss.
Steph and I both flew in last night. We've been all over the country. Came here just to do this special episode for all of you.
Exactly. So, Crumb Boss, you have leopard cake?
Yeah, this is leopard print cake. Last week we did zebra print. All these print cakes, all the rage. This is my second attempt. You know, I have not been at the bakery.
Yes.
So in between all that, I've been trying to test recipes at home.
Yes.
The first test recipe I made of the leopard cake print came out.
You actually ate it.
So I needed to mix it again last night before coming in here to do this, and I mean it came out good.
Yeah.
What I would like to do a little bit differently is have the center print part a little bit lighter.
I can see it over here though.
A little bit better?
Yeah, over here. I can definitely hold it right there.
Great.
So you see the difference in the spots.
Yeah, practice makes perfect, and now that I've got it down, I'm going to show you guys how to do it.
This is how she's going to show you how to make a leopard print cake.
Yes.
Not zebra. We already did zebra. We're making a leopard. Leopards can be found in Africa, okay? They're not in my country.
What was I going to say? Oh, and in the meantime, not only am I showing you how to do this print, I'm sharing with you a new recipe.
How dare you?
This is a new vanilla cake recipe.
You're so silly. You're showing a new recipe for vanilla cake.
The mixer is pretty squeaky lately. I don't know why. I think because we haven't been using it. We have been off for too long. The mixer is getting...
Right now.
I am just trying to smooth out my butter. Oh, hey, did you notice the new addition to the mixer?
Look at that. Crumb Boss KitchenAid blender.
Special edition Crumb Boss KitchenAid.
It's a good deal, right?
Limited edition. They only made one.
Yeah. Couple bunch of jerks.
So I've creamed my butter.
Yeah.
It's very hot in here, so it didn't take long for the butter to get to room temperature. Now I'm going to add in my cream cheese. This recipe of vanilla cake is more of a dense vanilla butter cake rather than the first recipe I shared with you guys that was more of a like a Genoise style sponge cake.
Ew.
This one...
Oh, you look sunburned.
I do?
Yeah.
I did get a little sun.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I thought you
Not
were just
much.
you're driving around.
Yeah,
you were just flying on airplanes.
Yeah, that's pretty much all I was doing.
That's what I was...
in the airport for 12 hours on Monday.
Classic, yep. And who made their plane? Steph, the producer. Who missed theirs? There she is.
All
okay.
Right. Cream cheese, butter mixed together. They're both the same temperature, so they mix together perfectly. All right. Next, whoa. You know what? We should have did this in a different way. This might just be how to mix the cake, and then I'll show you how to do the...
Yeah, this is just how to mix the cake.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, because this might take a while. This is, we have to add in the sugar.
Okay.
But he does it.
Yeah.
I've got my eggs in here, and I'm going to put some vanilla. This is a little bit of clear vanilla extract. It's different than what you normally see me do.
Okay.
Somebody had said, only at a commercial big bakery like this are you going to see vanilla in an ammonia bottle.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. That's how it really sells.
So there's my sugar, my butter, and my cream cheese all mixed together.
All right. So, Crumb Boss, how did you learn how to make the vanilla cake? I mean, the leopard cake.
Oh, I watched because you can't get a tutorial for free on YouTube or anywhere. I searched everywhere, and nobody's giving them up for free, so I ended up having to go to a Spanish channel. I watched the whole entire thing in Spanish, and I learned how to make it that way.
Well, you
speak how they do it. Let's watch how to mix this.
Okay.
All right, we're going to add in the eggs one at a time. This is a very important step because if you add in all the eggs too quickly, your butter and cream cheese and sugar mixture is going to break. It's going to curdle. It's going to look like cottage cheese. That's not a really great thing.
Okay.
So you add one egg, let it incorporate. Can you see in there?
Yeah, I'm right on it.
All right, and then I'm going to add in the flour, and there's some baking powder in this flour mixture. And you let that incorporate, and then you go ahead and add another egg. So you just keep on doing that. You can't go that quickly with this recipe because you will break your mixture, and your end result just won't come out as nicely as it should. So a little bit more flour to bind it. Whoops, that one wanted to go twice.
Okay. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, you gotta pay attention to what she's doing. If not, your recipes will come out weird, and you'll post all over Facebook. Why is it doing it? Because you know what? You're not following the directions.
Right. I recommend, because I do not give methods with I recommend taking notes, just like I had to do when I was in school.
Yeah.
That's how I learned.
Exactly.
All right, so here's the last.
Oh, it looks nice now.
Oh, isn't it beautiful? This is a really great recipe, you guys. For any of you who have had trouble with the vanilla cake recipe that is currently on, it's a wonderful recipe. However, it's not a beginner recipe, and it does take a little bit of finesse. So if you are one of the people who've had trouble or you just didn't really like that style of recipe, I guarantee you're going to love this one.
Okay.
All right, so there's the rest of the dry.
Cool, look, it's flying out. Crumb Boss.
All right, and there's your cake batter.
Okay, that's my cake batter.
How much time do we have?
It's on 7 minutes.
Yeah, not enough time to
All right, so
show
this is video number 1 on how to make the leopard cake. Again, you're gonna go back now. You just learned how to make the vanilla cake recipe, and you're gonna come back and we're gonna show you how to make the rest of this.
Yeah, because basically, look, this would have been a great way to just show people how to make a new vanilla cake recipe.
Yeah.
So we can title this one "New Improved Vanilla Cake Recipe."
Now let's type it how the letter cake Betty the thing.
I'll do
it. I'm gonna do how to do leopard cake part 1. Yeah.
Okay, but what if they want to search vanilla cake?
All right, well, if you search vanilla cake, this will come up too. Don't worry, I'll hook you up.
All right, hook
I'm
me
the
up.
producer.
Steph, the producer, hooking us up.
Yeah, why do you think we got 5 million hits? Why, huh? Because the producer and the Crumb Boss.
Crumb Boss.
Exactly. Yeah, Crumb Boss. It's all because of me. Yep, exactly. It is. You're the talent. Okay, bye-bye.
All right.
Wait, one more thing. Don't forget to check us out on our other channels at Funhouse TV and Gretchen's Vegan Bakery.